Da ka jing sungkhia bat pynrem ya ka jingjia kan ajai ban reu ha Manipur bat khamtam hadin ba ka wei ka video ka bala pau perthei ya ka jingsha penya ilang khoi ki ar ngut ki kan thei ki badai ki jai ban reu ku ki zo ka kan hun Manipur support group ha po ka jala Meghalaya ha ka singi ublei ki lami paidbah da ka jingalang hadon Bosco Square ka badan halai mkhra ha ka ne ka jingalang da ki spah ngut ki paidbah bat ki babun ki de ki samla pule ki badai na ka thain shatei lam ingi ka ri India ki ba syong basa Nongbah Shillong kilawan manis no ktilang badai jing kersiane kene ka kan hun harangkat ki plakat ki badawa jing bishar bahok na kamta ka Manipur kum kada ka jing sngolem ya ki to ki balkharno ha kene ka sngi la penlong ru ka jing thang mo mati badha kene ka sngi lawan manes no ktilang pastor kersoi borlang pertu kong Angela rengat kong Patricia Mukim bat ki wei
decided we are against the injustice, we are against the Manipur government, we are against that. Why is this happening to the Ukhital women? Today we stand here, listen to us, Mr. Virat, listen to us, Mr. Prime Minister Modi ji. Manipur. This will not continue in any part of Northeast India. This will not continue in. Thank you, madam. Standing up for the cookie jar people. Thank you, madam. Today I stand here with very deep heart. You know why?
For every bit of violence that has been unleashed, for every home that has been burnt down, for everybody who has been displaced and who has to look for a new home today from Manipur, for the rapes, the ones we know of and the ones that have not been reported as yet. They have to be held accountable for what happened to our two sisters. It is the government we will ask to respond. It is the government that has to give us answers. We will not fight each other. We refuse to make enemies. But what we have is this, the power of coming together like this, of shouting for peace, for love, for justice, and of saying that we will not allow the government to continue in your name or my name the crimes that they are perpetuating today in Manipur. Friends, we had a smaller meeting before this because we in Shillong care for you. We know that many people have had difficulties when they try to find refuge in our city. And it is our shame. It is a shame for us from Shillong if we have been unable to respond to your hurt, to be able to meet the needs that you require as people fleeing a conflict. But beyond that, we are all here today, and our voice needs to be heard. It needs to be heard by Biren Singh. It needs to be heard by those extremist groups that have been raised on the soil of Manipur. They do not represent you, my friends. Those groups in their black t-shirts and black pants are not you. They are not us. They are not us. They are elements that have been groomed for hatred, and we will isolate them. We will continue to condemn those in power who are raising such groups. Once again, friends, this is the beginning of our solidarity, and we cannot give up hope. We cannot say that there's no going forward from here. I have friends who had lived through a conflict in Manipur 20 years ago. But things in Manipur were looking up. Young people were returning to do business, to work, to be with their families. How dare some groups come and disrupt this dream? We cannot allow it to happen. And gatherings like this, my friends, is what will stop such groups who are full of nothing but hatred.
Women are used as weapons in Manipur. Do you agree?
Yes! Is this right?
No!
Is using women as a weapon in a war, is it right?
No!
Who is to blame? Who is to blame? Who is to blame? Louder! Who is to blame? The whole administration collapsed in Manipur. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Hagi jagalum, but hagi jagatan. But I hagi ga janme, in ship ya gawai garai. Bangin ong em ya gajing ya omsam, bangin ong em ya gajing ya isi. Inong em ya kajing le bijat bat ya kajing batbor ya ki kenthe ki khna ki khulung bat inong em ya gatma ka pinjat kajing isi bat kajing omsnam ka pinjat yagi ake emlang ka salam ka jongi bat kong nong song sonong jong ni ka Nongbah Shillong ngasim ya ni ka kabu ngan kerpat ya ki dorbar sonong ya ke district administration pada ke jela Borokawai ki don ki para mensin ki para brio ki balawan ban pet yap naga tma naga ding ban naga snam naga jela Manipur ki poi naga Nongbah ke jongi snobha yarap yaki kershani ki knang bakin na bakin teibyang ya ke jingim ke jongki nang nei sakmat khublai sia jango. Thank you very much.
Kini jingjia lang, kibriu jongka neka sorba, lang baki parlok jongi kibana Manipur, kidon kiba petwir nakadaw, badon kajingya kenat, kajingya umsnam, hakari jongki. Niawan lang mentasi berkumpau, ban condemn. Ya ka sorkar Manipur, ringkat bat ka sorkar Union Government jong Modi. Namar kani ka civil war along no kumkatma ha Manipur kamnum dalong haru kane lada kitu ki breu ki badan hakabor kim don kti hakane ngitip bakat tu kane benai de maki ki balas dang ban hikai ki balas dang ban ai yaki arms and weapons yaki kat tu kane ki group ngitip baki kan shoot maki ban penmi kane kajinga kan at hapadeng ar ngut hijat benriu handrei mentah kalade kapor bangim dei banyak kedokti wei ki wei ngidei bani bo sharut kata kajing snow ya pher jat benriu kham tam hangta ha Manipur kini ki ar ki meitei bat ki kuki kam don jingmut banyak kedokti wei wei Baro mangi manga mapi bat kibreu jong Manipur ngidei ban kedau keti ya ka sarkar. Nama kade ka kamram jong sarkar ban pej bangi emsup. Ban pej bam don kajing sha penyap kajing sha luti kajing sha thang ki yeng ki sem. Kajing sha le be ijot ki kenthei. Hendrei habaka sarkar khabrip. But om tang bakasha Hendrei ka yarap ru le se ban kampen mi shu gini kan rum kan ram. Mota ka don ai shalendet. But manga mapi ru ki breu ha Shillong ngidi ban sungtu. Bangi ngi don hakane ka northeast. Habadon ka jing ka civil war ha Manipur kam jingai nangi. Ban ngidi ban sungtu ru ki don kini ki bor ki bakwa ban pen kulmar kumne kan don ko ka por bakin wan pen kulmar ba ha Shillong jonga jampi. Man katangi have reject yakani ki politics of hate baki ong politics of division and this fascistic powers and fascistic government we have ban hold them accountable for what has happened.